Wow. If you have about $5 right now, $5 investment on Terra Classic, there's a probability this $5 might be turning to $5,000. Wow, that is the truth, because Luna right now at the time of recording this is trading with about 4 zeros, and the plan has been to take this coin back to 1 cent or back to 10 cents or $1, right? Now, if Luna deletes 3 zeros, we see about 4 zeros. So definitely it should be trading with about 1 cent, 2 cents, or 3 cents. At 1 cent, your $5 will be worth about $5,000, because hitting 100,000% increase in price means deleting about 3 zeros. One zero is about 1,000%. 2 zero is about 10,000%. 3 zero is about 100,000%. $10 will be 10,000. $5 will be 5,000. So there is no little amount of money you invest in some crypto industry, in some crypto coins rather, that anything can happen. Okay, there are so many coins that have actually deleted over 4 to 5 zeros. Check this, just most coins, you see them deleting. That's why people rush most coins with a lot of zeros. So I remember once, that was about the last 2 years, I was investing in coins that was trading with from 3 zeros upward. But I wanted to make sure these coins have to be ranked among the top coins, not coins that ranked the top 4,000, you know. This coin, for me, I don't normally invest much on these coins, but I choose coins that are ranked among the top 100, top 200, top 300, down to top 500 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Then I also make sure I was investing, I remember that was 2 years ago, I was investing about $3 each on these coins. I was trying to do a little mathematics, believing that even if I invest on 20 coins, or my target then was to invest on 200 coins, I didn't make that target. I didn't make that target, but I was planning to invest on 200 coins that is trading with about 2 to 5 zeros, and they are ranked among the top 500 crypto coins with the highest market cap. My plan was, if I invest on all these 200 coins, that's about $600. Definitely I'll be leaving these coins for a very long period of time. Don't be surprised to see some of them deleting 2 zeros, 3 zeros. Even a $3 might be worth about $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, and some of it worth about $10,000, $30,000. So that was the plan. And now, among these 200 coins, I believe that at least 20 among these coins, or 30 among these coins, or even 10 might be doing well. Definitely, when they delete zeros, you are going to make a lot of profit. That was another strategy I was using for a long time investment on crypto industry. You can try it out, but remember, any money you're investing, please, is what you can afford to lose. So using this strategy to buy crypto coins and leaving them for a long period of time might end up putting a lot of cash on your table within the next few years. I'm not saying few months, anything can happen in few months, but I mean few years to come. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, please subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next video, and expect new types of video from our channel, because we'll be changing our videos. We have to be engaging in different kinds of videos to make this channel more lively. Once again, thank you for stopping by.